Hey guys, Amber Burns Black here, and you might have noticed I'm not live. This is recorded, and I'm also not in my kitchen. So, what I have here is I have some gifts that I have gotten from some people. There's three packages. There's supposed to be four, but I was unable to grab the one that I've had for years that I've never opened on camera. So, I'm sorry I forgot to grab that one. So here is the first one, and these are from my friend and fan Brandon. And can't wait to see what it is. It is another bag within a bag. Hey, wow, Ziploc bag. Uh, ooh, another Ziploc bag. Wow, and a third Ziploc bag. Oh boy. Well, I think these are clothes. I hope they're not too provocative to open on camera. So let's see what the first one is. This is very white. Oh wait, it's leather? Oh wow. Oh. Oh, this is a leather dress. This is a leather strapless dress. Oh my god. Wow. That's some Emma Frost right there. Wow. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Okay, let's see what this one is. I don't know when I'm going to be able to wear that. It's dragons. Ooh. This is, oh wow. Very crinkly. This is another dress. This one actually looks, oh wow. That's pretty. It's a little more common. Oh, I could definitely wear that casually. Oh, I'm excited about this. Ow! It's just tissue paper. Let's see what the third one is. This is white and lacy. I'm actually kind of worried about this one. This one's not ziplocked. Hi. So, please don't be like, okay. Oh, wow. Oh, this is pretty. I was afraid it'd be lingerie, but it's definitely maybe lingerie? No, wait. That looks, oh, wow. That's definitely a gown. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. Wow. This is actually the first time I have gotten nice new clothes since November, so I'm really excited about this. Okay, now the little package. Please don't be provocative. I can't believe I don't think I've ever owned a leather dress before. That is insane. Ooh. Oh, I like this already. Oh, you know what these are? Oh, hi, doggy. These are TikTok leggings. I got another pair of TikTok leggings. Oh, yeah. Oh, and the capris. Oh, I hope they fit. I really have a booty on me. Judith, get out. You're waking up the kids. Oh, these look like they might be too small, but I'm definitely going to try them. Judith, come on. Out. Leave the kitty alone. Come on. Oh, my God. Okay. Come on. Judith, out. Come on. All right, Shy, close your door. All right. Don't wake up the kitties. Oh my god, I got TikTok leggings. Oh, I hope they fit. I really hope they fit. If they don't fit, I'm gonna cry. Okay, this is the last one. And like I said, I have a box in my mom's garage that I got years ago from an online boyfriend that I've never opened. And I was really looking forward to opening it. So I'm kind of bummed. Oh, I bet you these are. Oh, I got platforms. Oh, please say they're size 9. Okay. Oh, wow. Yes, platforms. Yay. Ooh, they fit. Yay. They look like 2 or 3 inches. I can be over 5 foot tall again. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got new shoes. I got platforms. Now I should probably try some of this on. It might be tragic. So hopefully we'll see what fits. I definitely want to try those leggings. So is there... Oh, hey, what's this? Huh. So I'm recording this. I've never made a recording with this phone, so I wonder if I can just pause it. It doesn't